We've been examining the typical workflow in Tableau Desktop. For our analysis, we explored profit and sales data for our retail chain Superstore, and we created a couple of visualizations to help us study both our least and most profitable products. One is a bar chart that shows the sum of sales by product subcategory, with total profit reflected by color. As the color legend shows us, some of our subcategories are doing much worse in terms of profit than others. To get more detail about this, we created a second view, a text table or crosstab, that shows profit and sales by product name. Using it, we can see how specific product brands are doing within each subcategory. This is really an early stage of our analysis, but I'm ready to share these views with my colleagues who want to do more examination of the data by product name. To create a dashboard with these worksheets, I'll click the New Dashboard tab, which is right next to the New Worksheet tab. Here we see our worksheets listed. For this demo, I've included the chart type next to the name. When you make a dashboard for others, pay attention to what kind of device your audience will view it on. You can choose from a variety of sizes here. For this dashboard, I'll leave it on the current setting. To place a worksheet, drag it to the open space on the right. Let's drag the product subcategory bar chart. Then, we'll drag the product name crosstab and drop it on the gray box that appears directly beneath the bar chart.